Hi everyone. We got these amazing sweet potato slips from a store-bought sweet potato without putting any effort whatsoever. So let us quickly show you how we planted the slip to get this lush plant and how we got the slips with no effort at all. Once the slips showed up on our sweet potatoes, we cut a part of potato with it and let it sit for a day or two to let the cut dry out a bit. After 2 days, we simply buried the slip along with the potato peas attached to it into this container and watered. Since it is so hot right now, we kept watering it every other day in the beginning. Once the green shoots showed up, we changed our watering schedule to our regular once a week deep watering schedule. So how did we get the sweet potato slips? We got a bag of organic sweet potatoes to make sweet potato fries and kept them in this basket with no intent of growing any potato slips. What happened was that this basket is right next to this window and June and July happens to be the months when sweet potatoes are eager to grow. So a combination of light and correct timing made the slips without any efforts from us. This is a happy accident, but it can easily be replicated because here we are about 15 days later and the remaining sweet potatoes are making slips as well. We are going to plant these slips the same way we did the other ones. But with these ones, we will use to get green leaves because they are very nutritious. The other larger container will be left alone to make tubers. In fall, we will see what kind of harvest we get from these stores bought sweet potatoes. So do follow along to see the final results of this experiment. Thanks for watching.